Hello guys, welcome back to Daily with me. For today's video, let's go to Chocolateville. Before you get inside the park, there is an entrance fee of 120 baht. But don't you worry guys, kasi pwede din gamitin ng tickets around the park. Chocolateville is a very unique place and never miss this when you go in Bangkok. The park has a European village ambience with every corner Instagram worthy. Park also have shows with respective time, so better check it out kapag nandito kayo. They also have furry friends inside the park and you can also feed them. This one particular is my second time to see it. It is the capybara. Guys, para siyang mouse na size ng dog. The park has a lot of interactive attraction inside that your kids or siblings will surely love. Don't forget guys that if you get hungry, you can always sit down and eat because they have a lot of seats na pwede kayo pumorder. So don't forget lang na use your ticket for a discount. Okay now guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one!